ayun, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Kumusta po kayo, no? So, today, no, gusto ko lang pong mag-share ng kakaibang content. Actually, first time ko itong gagawin sa aking channel, no? And nakikita nyo naman sa ating title, no, na I would like to share to you my 2025 frag game goals, no? Hinati ko po yan sa tatlo, no? Share ko lang po sa inyo very quickly. Number 1, perfume targets for 2025. Number 2, yung goals ko for the perfume community. At of course, number 3, yung goals ko for my YouTube channel, no? Elaborate natin yan mamaya-maya, no? And before we go on dun sa goals na yon, let me share to you my scent of the day. My scent of the day is called Coromandel from Chanel, the Le Exclusive lines. This is their exclusive line, no? If you have tried halimbawa Le Lion or Beige, Chanel Boy, marami pa po, isa ang Le Exclusives, no, sa I would say pinakamaganda, no, na exclusive line sa game, no, ng designer exclusive line or private line, no. And yeah, I love this one, Coromandel by Chanel, no. Basically patchouli, white chocolate, no. Doon siya naglalaro, and meron siyang warm citruses up top, no, na nagko-contribute ng napakaganda sa composition, no, ng frag. And yeah, Coromandel, my scent of the day, no. And ayun, let's go back to the content, no, yung ating goals na sinasabi. Well, New Year, no. Pag New Year, we project goals, no. We project yung gusto nating mangyari sa parating na year. New Year's resolution, mission, vision, kung ano man po yung tawag natin dyan, alam niyo naman po yung ibig kong sabihin. And we try to make goals, no, sa family, sa work, sa business, no, sa school, and whatnots, no. And personally, no, may goals din ako sa hobby na to, na sa frag game. It only speaks volumes sa importance ng area na yun ng life mo. And ayun, the frag community, the frag game in general is important to me, no. Nakikita ko yung value niya, nakikita ko yung impact niya sa buhay ko, no. And ayun, I have set goals for 2025, and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, no. Number 1, no, let's go to the goals. Number 1 again, no, perfume targets, no. Having goals sa mga targets mo, well, tayo kasi dali nating mabudol, no. Lalo ngayong December, pambihira, ang daming lumabas na napakagandang deals, no, napakamumura, and nakabudol, no. Pero yun nga, may panghinayang, of course, no, pag you pull the trigger sa isang frag, no, and biglang kinabukasan or the next week lumabas yung talagang isa sa nasa top ng listahan mo. Nakalungkot, no, kasi wala na yung sinisave mong money for that, no, or less na yung money supposedly na mapupunta doon. Well, para sa akin, sinimulan ko to sa Amwaj, no. Well, ang hirap, no, that's the reality, no, napakahirap. Pero setting goals sa frag game, no, paano ba? It helps you to focus dun sa goal na yun, to save up for that frag, no. And siguro having goals, no, and committing to that goal helps you na makuha talaga yung perfumes na gusto mo, no. And you would say to yourself na kahit may mga lumabas pang goals after that, you would say to yourself, okay, I'm happy with this, no. Okay lang sa akin na ma-let go muna yung ibang deals kasi nakuha ko na yung isa sa nasa listahan ko, no. But yeah, this is basically me trying to create more curate rather yung aking collection. Kasi yun nga, alam ko na yung scent profile in general na gusto ko, no, well, it is still advisable that you buy decants, no, or you try it out first sa mga sniff sessions or sa mga malls, no, sa mga boutiques, no. But basically ako, I'm not afraid siguro of blind buying kasi alam ko na yung direction kung baga ng collection ko, alam ko na yung scent profile that I would gravitate towards, no. And yeah, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo 5 lang ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ngayon. Well, alam nyo naman na hindi lang to 5, pero 5 lang yung gusto kong i-share. Number 1 is called Mitsman, of course, from my favorite house, the House of Amouage. Share ko lang sa inyo, share ko lang sa inyo, yung perfumer kasi nito is Spener, Karin Vinchon Spener, no, and also the perfumer behind Overture Man ng Amouage, no, Mitsman, not only because of the scent profile, no, yung nakikita ko, never ko pa na-try ko na siya once from Eugene, no, shout out Eugene. Pero dahil ang daming pang frags napako ako sa, I believe, Figment Man and Woman, no, and yung Bortnikov, tinatry ko yun, no. Yung Mitsman, naamoy ko siya, pero hindi ko siya nabigyan ng time kasi ang dami ng frags nung nagkaroon ng FragCon sa Baguio. And gusto ko siya, no. If I can remember right, talaga nagustuhan ko siya. And of course, the perfumer kasi, no, Karin Vinchon Spener, one of my perfumers, yung I would say yung creation niya para sa akin. And yeah, Mitsman, chrysanthemum, no, rum, ash, pambira, leather. I love yung paggamit halimbawa ng ano bang house to, nakalimutan ko yung house, nalalagay na lang natin dito, but I love in general yung use ng smoke, ng gunpowder, no, yung Iron Duke, Beaufort London, I'm so sorry, Beaufort London, gusto ko yung paggamit nila ng smoke accord, no, that's an accord, no, and how they mix that with halimbawa with leather, no, and rum, no, and other complex notes, no, and I'm interested to try kung gaano ba to ka-complex, gaano ba siya ka-dark, no. I have seen and heard reviews that gravitates more on the polarizing side when they tell their experience sa Mitsman ng Amouage, no, and it makes an excitement more and more sa akin dahil polarizing siya, no. Siguro magugustuhan ko siya, no. I think, no, talagang pasok siya sa profile na gusto ko. So Mitsman, no, isa po yan ng Amouage. Isa pa sa gusto ko or goal ko, well, this is a really, siguro I would say, isa sa pinakamahirap hanapin, no, sa listahan ko. This is called Masks Kublai Khan ng Serge Lutens, of course, Christopher Sheldrake, no, great nose. That's a bell jar ng Serge Lutens, no. I believe this was produced in the 1990s, no, somewhere in the 1990s. And tinitingnan ko yung scent profile niya, tinitingnan ko yung accords niya. I think it would be for me, no. By theory, siguro it would be somehow closer sa frags like halimbawa itong Eau de Joy ng Jean Patou, or ito pong Salome, no, Salome ng Papillon, no, or even frags like Masque Tonkin ng Parfum d'Empire, no. Gusto ko yung Masque Tonkin. That's really a really complex na frag. Isa din yun sa goal ko, no. And yeah, Masks Kublai Khan, Serge Lutens, Christopher Sheldrake. That's number 2. Number 3 na siguro 2 years na nang nasa listahan ko is called Chypre Palatine by MDCI Parfums. No, well, wala akong masyadong masasabi dito kasi hindi pa ako, I would say, well versed sa scent profile na yon. This is a Bertrand Duchaufour creation, and And of course, no, they call Bertrand Duchaufour na magician, no. Lahat ng na-try ko from that perfumer, nagustuhan ko talaga, no. And I'm interested, hindi lang po of course sa perfumer, but syempre yung scent profile. So that's number 3, Chypre Palatine by MDCI Parfums, no. Number 4 na I would say isa sa target ko, no, is called Patchouli Ardent, no, ng Guerlain from the Les Absolus d'Orient line, no. Actually, no, na nabudol ako, no, sa line, hindi lang po sa frag na yun, pero sa line na to ng Guerlain, no. This is Encens Mythique, and this is Masque Noble ng Guerlain, no. And I have tried Patchouli Ardent, no, sa Bangkok, no, sa airport ng Bangkok. Gustong-gusto ko, pambihira. Patchouli, there's fig, there's rose, at merong leather, no. Ang pinakauna kong na-try from the Les Absolus d'Orient line was Queer Intense. Na-try ko siya sa Kenya, sa airport ng Kenya, way back nung June pa last year, no. And yun yung entrance ko dun sa line. And after that, no, nakuha ko yung Encens Mythique, no, and eventually nakuha ko rin yung Masque Noble na napakahirap hanapin. Nagustuhan ko sila lahat, pambira. Tapos yung Patchouli Ardent, no, yung Santal Royal, gusto ko rin siya, pero hindi ko pa siya naamoy, pero definitely nasa list ko rin yun. So that's number 4. And number 5, no, na I would say nasa goal ko is called Ambra Aurea by Profumum Roma. Amber, incense, and myrrh, no. I love amber. I love, of course, that's an accord, no. Iba-iba po yung gamit ng houses diyan. Walang standard na gamit ng amber sa iba't ibang houses, no. Meron silang pagkakahawig, pero basically ang amber, iba-ibang interpretation yan per house. So I'm interested kung paano gumamit ng amber ang Profumum Roma. May mga na-try na ako from them, I believe Arso yung name, or basta may mga na-try pa ako from them, no. And so far yung may mga amber, pero touches lang kasi yun, nagustuhan ko naman. And yung Ambra Aurea, that's really amber forward, so I'm interested to try yung amber use nila. So yun yung 5. Of course meron pang iba, pero hindi na po natin i-exhaust yung time for that, no? So that's number 1, perfume targets. Number 2, na I would say na major goal ko is for the perfume community, in particular sa Baguio Frag community. Dalawa lang po, no, for this year, no. 2 years na po ang group, no, nung December, and I'm thankful sa community na na-build namin dito. And as one of those who actively leads the group sa ngayon, no, may mga goals tayo syempre for the group, no. Hindi natin hayaan na matapos lang sa sniff sessions or budulhan yung mga yon. Of course, you want to add value sa, lalo po karamihan po dito sa Baguio, sa mga fragrance dito nagsisimula pa lang. And dalawang bagay lang, no, siguro for this year. Number 1, na matulungan talaga lalo yung mga local or Baguio based na perfume businesses. Halimbawa, no, Scent Hound, no, shout out Kevin Upolencia, and SNL Sleek and Lavish, no, shout out Sir Stefan Klassen, and of course Yalaj RJ DXB. Yan po ay may physical store na. If you have the chance na pumuntang Baguio, you could visit them sa Porta Vaga, no. Mostly they sell Bath and Body Works, no, I believe may Victoria's Secret and Middle Eastern clones or interpretations. So meron pang mga iba, pero basically the goal is to help by, of course, promoting, reviewing, even buying, no. Ma-promote lang tong mga to kasi you see them na hindi lang kasama sa hobby. You see them na they try their best also to make a living dito po sa perfumes, no? And you would want to support that, no? Lalo from Baguio din. So that's number 1. Number 2 is to hold at least a sniff session once a month. Well, na share ko na ata to in the past, no? May video ko, I believe na share ko to. Naging challenge namin yung venue kasi may venue kami for a year na lalo early 2024, pero nawala na po yun, no? May mga changes sa management and all, and it was a challenge for us, no? Actually, ilang months kami na walang sniff session. It was a challenge talaga, lalo for me, no, na nag-organize, no? Kasi hindi naman pwedeng sa mga closed areas kasi perfumes yan, tapos pagkain, no? You have to, hindi lang to find a place, pero to make friendships para i-allow kayo, no? So meron ng may cafe na pwede naming i-hold yung sniff sessions. But yeah, basically my goal is to hold at least once a month yung mga sniff events dito sa Baguio, kahit mga maliliit lang na sniff sessions, para lalo na po, no, ma-help po yung mga nagsisimula sa game. And of course, going back doon sa mga local businesses na ma-promote yung kanilang shops, yung kanilang store, and of course, para may bumili din from them, no? And yeah, that's my goals for the perfume community, no, lalo po sa Baguio. Number 3, and lastly, yung goal ko po sa channel ko, ito general po ito, no? Of course, mas makita nyo pa yung detail niyan habang we go through the contents and reviews and all. Number 1 na goal ko is to support local, no? Supporting local, isa yan sa mga naging drive ko, sa mga naging goals ko nung start ko yung channel, no? And siguro for this year, mas gusto ko mag-focus lalo dun sa local na original creations. Well, of course, no, suporta pa rin tayo, no, basta local, no, suporta tayo sa local interpretation, sa clones, no, sa inspired perfumes. Pero siguro the idea is to promote more yung sariling atin, no, na hindi sila interpretation ng Western or Middle Eastern brands, no, pero yung sariling atin, no. Halimbawa, The More Grooming Co. or yung mga perfumes ni Sir Greg Parilla, Porsche Nathalie, no, ang dami pa pong ibang brands, Parfums Astro, ang dami pa po, no. And we want to do our best para masuportahan, ma-maximize yung suporta natin, lalo po sa mga local creations, no, who do their best, no, to produce yung talagang sariling atin, yung sariling gawa ng Pinoy, no, using or utilizing yung notes, no, ng Pinas. And yeah, that's number 1, no. And isa pa po is yung talagang i-feature more yung mga gusto kong frags, no? Kasi siguro napansin nyo naman yan sa channel ko na most of the time, lalo nung nagsisimula ako, no, yung frags na fini-feature ko, yung pinapa-review sa akin, no, or yung mga frags na siguro yung pinapa-review sa akin, yung mga nakukuha ko, no. Pero siguro ngayon gusto kong mas magpakilala pa, no, lalo, no, through my collection, through my style, no. Well, hindi naman para sa lahat yung style ko, lalo ang tagal ko magsalita, no, katulad nito, no, tagal na nitong video na to, pero isa yan, no, gusto kong mas magpakilala pa, no, mas i-feature pa yung mga gusto kong contents. And siya pa po is, yun nga, in general, to create a more interesting, a more unique na content, na topic, no. And ayun, yun lang in general pa yun, pero syempre mas magiging defined pa yan sa mga susunod na months na contents. And siguro teaser lang, no, some of the upcoming contents na I'll be doing, no. Isa po dyan ay yung review ko ng frags ng SNL ni Sir Stefan, no. May review tayong mga frags. Ngayon pa lang guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo, napakalaki ng potential nila, no. Actually, no, may trinay ako, no, early this week, no, na nakita-kita kami with Sir Stefan, with Sir Greg, no, and Ma'am Joanne, Kevin, no, and yun, no, nagkaroon kami ng sniff session. Isa po doon sa focus namin was SNL, no, at napaka-promising, no. May mga trinay kami, no, including yung sinisimulan niya mga own blends niya. Ang laki-laki ng potential, pambira ng shop na yan. So, we will review ang SNL and support natin guys, support natin. Yan po, upcoming, no, na brand, no. Nagre-release na sila lalo late last year, pero itong 2025, ano na yan, full blown na yan. So, yeah, SNL, no, isa pa po ay yung top 25. Well, medyo late na to. Actually, plano ko siya nung bago matapos siya ng taon, para top 24 lang for before the end of 2024. Pero dahil naging busy, tapos may mga hinintay pa akong mga frags, no, naisip ko na sige, pagdating na lang ng mga frags na yon, and gumawa na lang tayo ng top 25 for 2025, yung current ko, kumbaga na favorites sa my collection. At isa pa po ay yung top 10 ko sa Amwatch, no, my favorite house. So yun lang guys, no, yun lang po yung gusto kong i-share sa goals ko ngayon. Kayo guys, ano ba yung goals ninyo sa collection ninyo? Or if you have goals sa frag community, lalo po sa mga gumagawa din ng content katulad ko, may goals ba kayo for this year for your channel? Share nyo naman sa comment section. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat pong muli sa pakikinig. Salamat pong muli for your time, no? At if you find this content interesting and helpful, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.